How to take a screenshot with Snipping tool in Windows 10. Here's another Freedom Lab cheat sheet video. Quick and simple step-by-step instructions for online business tech. Windows 10 has a number of built-in graphics apps. In this video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot with the Snipping tool. To pull it up, go to the magnifying glass on the taskbar and start typing snip. When Snipping tool appears, click Open. You'll see a pop-up that says Snipping tool is moving. It looks like Snip and Sketch will be the new version of the Snipping tool. So ignore it to continue using the Snipping tool. Now go to the screen you want to snip, then hit Alt and Tab keys at the same time to bring up the Snipping tool. Now click New to create a new file. Then drag the cursor to create a box around what you want to snip. When you release the mouse button, your screenshot will appear in the Snipping tool app. The final step is to save your file and you're done. Wishing you all the best in your online venture adventures. I'm Marie Watkins with Freedom Lab.